Imagine a place where time stands still, where every anxious thought unravels like threads of silk in the wind, where the air hums with melodies spun from moonlight, and harmony flows like liquid starlight. This is Heavenly Instrumentals. Here, our piano keys become footsteps along forest paths, our strings weave tapestries of forgotten sunsets, each note a sanctuary, each chord a breath held in perfect stillness. Whether you seek refuge from the storm or simply wish to remember how to breathe, press play, close your eyes, and let the music remind your soul. Let's start. Can you feel it? That quiet miracle humming in your chest, the lightness where weight once lived, the space between heartbeats that now feels sacred. This is why we create. For the sleepless nights you've weathered, for the breaths you forgot to take, for the peace you thought you'd lost. If this hour of grace mattered to you, let heavenly instrumentals return to your days. Click subscribe, share, and tap the bell. We'll leave a lantern little ways. Until our next shared silence, may your dreams be as deep as the ocean, and your awakenings as gentle as dawn's first light. Rest now. Goodbye. The music will keep watch.